eto na, may lineup of activities na po ba kayo, mga mommies, bukod sa outing at swimming? Aba, hindi porket summer, tatambay na lang ang mga kids. Dapat syempre, productive pa rin. Bakit di nyo po itry ang summer classes? Kasama natin si Ms. Rowena Mati, ang CEO ng Galileo Enrichment Program. Ipapakita po namin sa inyo ang isa sa kanilang summer courses, ang Math Art. Interesting, di ba? At syempre, kumpleto tayo. Kasama natin si Roque, si Elias, and si Alexa, at si Teacher Meg and si Teacher Yumi. Good morning, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you for inviting us.
Ano po itong mga pwedeng pag-aralan na classes dito po sa inyong eskwelahan ngayong summer?
Galileo Enrichment Learning Program is a math and English class for children 3 to 12 years old. So on a regular school year, people come to us twice a week to become better in math and English. Pag summer, we add activities that are more fun.
Oo, para hindi naman ma-feel ng mga bata na papasok na naman sa school or parang kulang naman, parang KJ naman ni mommy at ni daddy. So they're gonna enjoy at the same time and learn.
Yes.
So talagang ma-enhance yung kanilang yung sa kanilang math skills, no? Okay.
So for this summer, we have Math Art.
Math Art, okay.
So the children feel they're doing art activities, arts and crafts, pero at the same time, without knowing it, they learn about math.
Oh, okay. So nga po mga simpleng para maengganyo yung mga nanonood po sa atin, Ms. Rowena. Like, what are you doing, Roque? What's this, Roque? Can I hold it? Okay. Cubo. Okay, how do you do that? Paano po natututo dyan si Ms. Rowena ang mga chikiting?
Okay.
Wow,
so
that's fun.
the idea of Cube O is parang three-dimensional objects. So they start with paper folding.
All right.
And then they're able to come up with figures like this.
Oh.
So this is actually one of the characters in the Galileo program, si Galileo. So what he's doing now is another character. So he's trying to finish that now.
This one. Okay, so did
they
you do
learn
this,
about...
Roque?
Did you do this?
Oh, wow. Okay. So
The
are
paper folding.
you having fun?
Yes.
Yes. Si Elias naman. Are you having fun there, Elias? Okay, what are you doing now?
I'm doing chamber chime.
Okay. Paano, Teacher Yumi, paano konektado itong math art sa itong chamber chime?
This one focuses on balance, so it has to be, it's not art, so it has to be balanced. So it's hindi siya sabing so the kid has to make sure that what is put here is also the same here, so it will be balanced.
Oh, wow. Okay. Ano
But
pa
the
po?
finished
What
product
else
will
we
be
have?
something like this.
Yan.
They can bring
nga.
it home and use it in the house.
Oo. Tapos, dapat nga naman, balance.
Oo.
So, ito.
Otherwise, makaganon siya.
Oo. Wow, that's cool. Okay, the classes, ito ba the whole summer nasa eskwelahan ng mga bata or hindi naman po?
Hindi naman. One session is about 1.5 hours. And one program is 8 modules. So it can be done in about 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So
Okay.
it can be for the whole of April or April and May.
Oh, depende sa
Depende
magulang.
how many sessions they want to enroll.
They want. Pero ano yung minimum number of sessions na talagang matututo na rin yung mga bata?
It's good if they take the 8.
8. Which is, how much will that cost? Is that per session or per class per short course?
The 8 sessions is how much ba? 6,800.
6,800. Okay, math art, other than math art, ano pa yung pwede nilang kunin ngayong summer sa Galileo
For
Enrichment?
those who really just want to improve in math and English, we have regular classes that's twice a week. And it's ongoing all throughout the year. And we have something new now, which we call Singapore Math.
Okay, what is Singapore Math?
It's the way they teach Singaporeans math. The Singaporeans are top now in math in the world, diba? So a lot of people are looking into how they teach math. So Singapore Math yung tawag nila. Some of the schools have adopted that already here in the Philippines. So a lot of other schools are little by little adopting it. So we're teaching it now in Galileo. So for those who want to learn about Singapore Math, they can enroll. It's offered twice a week in our different centers.
How many centers do you have?
We have 23 centers
Oh, wow.
in
Oh.
the Philippines. Most of it are in Metro Manila. But we have provincial branches which we just opened. Dagupan, Subic, Dumaguete, Lucena, and Batangas.
That's great. So, magandang gawin po ito ng inyong mga chikiting para maging productive sila. Kita nyo naman talagang nag-i-enjoy at hindi mabobore ang inyong mga anak. Hindi yung tipong, papasok na naman sa school, diba? Maraming salamat po. If they're interested, saan po sila pwedeng tumawag or do you have a website also that they can
If they're interested, it's so easy to remember. They can call 898-1234.
Oh.
Or they can check our website, GalileoEnrichment.com.
Alright. Thank you so much for your
Thank you
time.
also.
Maraming salamat. Samantala, mag-police report muna po tayo.